Talk Simplified. I'm your host AFIQAH FARAH, and today we are diving into the story of one of Malaysia's most recognized brands, Touch and Go. If you live in Malaysia, you will have used it, whether at toll booths, parking lots, or even your favorite coffee shop. But how did Touch and Go grow from being a toll card system to a leading e-wallet apps? And how do they stay ahead of their competitor? In this episode, we will explore how Touch and Go focus on technology and agility has made it a household name. So let's begin by looking at their roots. Touch and Go was launched in 1997 with a simple goal to make highway tolls payment easier for Malaysians. Back then, the idea of using a card instead of cash was revolutionary, saving people time and hassle. Fast forward to 2018 and they introduced the Touch and Go e-wallet apps. This move expanded their service beyond store. Now you can use the apps for shopping, paying bill, buying movie ticket, or even investing money. Touch and Go has grown to over 20 million active users and has become one of the Malaysians' most trusted fintech platform. What makes their success unique in their ability to adapt quickly and bring the innovation to a high competitive market. So, how does Touch and Go stay ahead of the curve? It's all about agility. Here are three core agile principles that drive their success. First is iterative development. In this point, Touch and Go never stop improving. Their app is regularly updated with new features like Pay Direct, which allow users to link their physical card to e-wallet. This means you can pay direct from the apps without needing to reload your card. Another example is RFID system, or people always call RFID, which let driver pay toll with a simple sticker on their car. This feature are not perfect at first, but they keep improving based on user feedback. The second thing is cross-functional terms. Touch and Go terms work closely together. For the example, when they launched their Go Plus investment feature, their Teach team worked with financial experts to ensure the apps meet both technical and legal standards. Meanwhile, their marketing team made sure users understood how to use the features. Lastly, customer-centric thinking. Touch and Go listen to its users. When people want better way to use the e-wallet at store, they introduce QR code payment, making it easier to shop at small business and hawker stores. One of the smartest things Touch and Go does is use data to make decisions. Let me explain. First, what data do they collect? They collect information on how users spend money, which features are used the most, and even the time of the day when transaction peak. Next is, how do they use this data? This data help them improve the apps. For example, if they notice a lot of users struggling with a particular features, they prioritize fixing in the next update. Lastly, supporting agile process. Data is also key to launching new features. Take their partnership with Lazada and Shopee, for instance. They notice more people shopping online, so they collaborate with this e-commerce giant to integrate the e-wallet into their platform. This keeping them relevant and useful for users. The fintech world moves fast, and Touch and Go has shown it can adapt to change quickly. Here how. First, embracing new technologies. They were among the first in Malaysia to introduce RFID toll payment, which are faster and more convenient than the older card system. Another part is responding to customer feedback. When users complain about limited reload option, Touch and Go add features to link e-wallet direct to bank account. This allows instant top-up and make the apps more user-friendly. Third is staying competitive. With so many e-wallets like GrabPay and Boost in the market, Touch and Go had to differentiate itself. They added features like tone integration and ability to earn return through GoPlus, making the app stand out from competitor. Every business has up and down. Of course, Touch and Go has not always had it easier. Here are some challenges to their face and what they learned. First is gaining trust. When they first launched the e-wallet, many users were hesitant to trust digital payment. To overcome this, Touch and Go made sure their app was simple, secure, and backed by clear tutorials. Secondly is handling physical card users. Many Malaysians still prefer using the physical Touch and Go card, especially for tolls. Instead of forcing everyone to switch, they introduced hybrid features like Pay Direct, so users could link their card to the e-wallet. Lastly is competing in crowded market. The fintech industry in Malaysia is highly competitive. Touch and Go learned that the best way to stand out is by offering unique features and forming partnership with popular platforms like Watson and Tesco. So, what next for Touch and Go? They are not stopping here. The company is working on expanding its financial service like small loans and saving features to offer more value to its users. Their journey from a simple toll card to a leading e-wallet shows us the power of agility and innovation. By listening to their customer, using data smartly, and staying adaptable, Touch and Go has become an essential part of the daily life in Malaysia. Alright, that's all for today's episode. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for joining me on Biz Talk Simplified. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you next time with more stories about business shaping in the future. Goodbye!